Yep, played that T. Anthem's done. Afghanistan in the field again this evening, looking to restrict.
That's what you aspire for, don't you?
Yep, played that World Cup under-19s down in South Africa. Just played the 2 games in that tournament, I think in 2020 down in South Africa.
They need to be complemented with singles, just working the ball into the gaps, wait for the opportunities to arrive and then pounce on them. But they've been trying to, and he has maintained right lines and lengths as well. That's why he's been so potent with the new ball.
In game. What? How did you like? Were you a face or were you a watch from the other end?
Well, we used to decide night before against Mohammad Haris. He goes aerial, hits the ball straight to the fielder, and the first blood drawn through Mujib in the second over, and it's Mohammad Haris who's been dismissed.
Yeah, comfortable catch out in the deep. I think that's Usman Ghani out in the deep, and it was that little in-swinger that would flowing past Nabi and down to the boundary for 4. It was wide of him, I think.
And this is the definite stroke. Took aerial route and out of the ground. That's a big blow. And brings an end to the second over, 14 for 1.
Swing. Oh, beautifully. Best economy for Afghanistan in power plays in the last couple of years. Finds the gap this time. It's a test for the outfield, and the ball will win.
Ball too short on that occasion. Allowed plenty of time for Tayyab to work the ball into the gap. Didn't try to overhit the ball, just guided the ball into the gap.
Is that a little leg by? There's definitely something on it. Glove or leg by? Yeah, leg buys. Umpire has decided 4 of them. Oh, nice. Little bit of width. That's all he needed.
And good footwork from Saim Ayub. Picked up the length early. Moved his back leg, and that's why he was able to hit the ball.
The experience of Mohammad Nabi. Good right arm off break. This is a matchup that Tayyab Tahir will like. Bin.
Catch it!
5. Make that 5. Make that 5 with a brilliant left-handed grab. That's what they call the commentator's curse.
Well, talking about Mohammad Nabi, he usually bowls around the stumps to the right-handed batsman, but this time around decided to bowl over the stumps. Better. Finally.
Maybe wide.
Nicely done. Nicely done. He knows the vacant zone on the onside and the deep. Just slips that through the line and earns himself a boundary. Abdullah Shafiq will do a great deal of favour to his confidence with that shot.
He's just timed it, hasn't he? Slightly overpitched. Not much.
Oh, makes room, and what a shot that is. That is an amazing shot. I mean, really doesn't look like a guy who's been looking for runs in the past 4 games. He created that length, just moved away and plays it inside out.
Such a good shot. Gave himself room, but he did it at a time where the bowler didn't have enough time to see him and wasn't able to adjust.
Nicely done. After that shot, you just push it away for a single. Smart work. Again, what a shot. He's got such amazing wrist, Saim Ayub. Stand and deliver. 50 up for Pakistan with that boundary.
Yeah, no protection on that offside field. That's not the line you want to be bowling. Ayub 19 from 18. Abdullah's been outstanding and entertaining so far. 16 runs from...
Oh yes, down the wicket. Should clear, yes he does. Once again creating that length by coming down the wicket, and ends the over with a maximum 62 for 2. Oh yes, he would do that. I just said so, he would do that. It's only a matter of time how you play his 4 overs, and this time Abdullah Shafiq is backed away too much and the stumps exposed.
Yeah, he's thrown it.
First outing for Iftikhar Ahmed in this series. He's one of the changes that Pakistan have made today. One of the 2 changes. Again those wrists, again that ability to play it so late. Saim Ayub gets another boundary.
Just a little bit of width and it was enough for Saim. He's very good square of the wicket. Just
he's trying to fire that one into the pads. The pace will take it to the boundary. We'll have to wait for umpire signal. Probably a touch bat, yes. Some bat of Saim Ayub was in it. Back-to-back boundaries.
Oh, that's gone a long way. He's cleared the mid-wicket boundary with ease, Iftikhar. Perfect end to the 10th over. It's 87 for 3.
Very frustrated. That's in the air. That's a positive hit from Saim Ayub. He's looking good in this innings.
A gift came early and Saim Ayub was waiting for it, and he put it away in style. Take another look at this. It's a full toss, a rank bad ball, and he's taken a chance and he's fallen. One short of a half century as Saim Ayub. Karim Jannat tastes success, and it's a big wicket of a set batsman.
Very unlucky. Gets on with the job straight away. Wasn't afraid to use his feet. There was too much angle with that delivery, but used it well. Helped the ball along the way for 4 runs, and he's off the mark.
Down the track. Oh, that's hit firmly all along the carpet, but firm enough for 4. Bisecting long on and long off.
That was a clever hit. Came down the track with a purple. In the air, and taken. Fielding has been good. From the fountain, it was Karim Jannat who dived in front in order to dismiss Imad Wasim, who was looking good, who was looking to up the ante.
Returning the favour. Shadab Khan, the captain, walks out into the middle. Best of 52 for him. Average under 20 for the captain, the 24-year-old. But he's coming at a stage, and at this...
Gets that, gets plenty of it. He is a 6-hitter. Of note is Iftikhar.
Oh, this is just in the slot for Iftikhar. The length was perfect.
Misses this time, and finally Shadab can cash in.
Yeah, that's not the right length. That off up in the circle. The field that he's got, sweeper on the offside and the 3rd man.
Well, clever, very clever indeed from Shadab. Picks up a boundary over a wideish 3rd.
And he's done this on purpose. Knows the 3rd man is up. That line from Karim Jannat incorrect. 7. Oh, now that will definitely be a no ball, and it's dispatched for 4 as well. Probably just slipping out the hand by Karim Jannat.
Out of the over. He can't. A little bit of good fortune for Oh, he's got that. Sounded alright, but not far enough. Not far enough. Just straight to the man at deep mid-wicket. Skipper takes the catch, a very comfortable one in the end. And it was another good slower ball.
Now pace off the ball as well.
A lot of time left for him. And again, very good from Shadab, using the pace, creating some width.
Done this so well. Did it?
It's clipped away nicely in towards the gap at deep mid-wicket, and Nabi with a little bit of nimble footwork from the 38-year-old. Manages to keep it in. Didn't want to dive because that left shoulder. Just gets the left boot down. Well done. Wasn't like it was along the ground either.
The 21-year-old wicketkeeper batsman will be opening the innings, and a lot rests on his shoulders, as of course him.
Yeah, not surprised to see Imad Wasim coming in early, especially with 182 runs on the board.
Oh, he's taken the aerial route in the slot and dispatched for 6.
Sensible.
Of 11. For it again, and will get 4.
This time he's gone.
Beaten by the change of pace. So is the keeper. He'll scamper a by. What's more, no one backing up. That's going to be 5. Added on to the total. 1 plus 4. Can rattle the best. Has he got hold of it? Yes, it's gone for 6. I dare say not the most convincing shot, but nonetheless it's 6. Pace! Pace! And the Archer celebration from Ehsanullah. Says, what's the big deal? A 21-year-old, best of 64, not out.
Huge shot, huge shot. Was the bat involved? Just get a...
Pitching in line, impacting line, wicket hitting. 15. I recommend you to change your decision.
Rahim Zadran. Second wicket falls. Call is the catch in, and this should be out. That's a good catch. Nawaz is a good fielder. Now, is he claiming it or not? They're all celebrating out there. Nawaz seemed like he's sure he's got fingers underneath that. That was with the same head on his shoulders. He's won them 2 chases. Oh yes, he made room to play it over extra, but then found the ball following him. He's thrown it out of the ground. Mid-wicket is the way to go.
So he backs away, creates room for himself, hits it down the ground, and he's coming back for the second, but has he made his ground? I don't think so. The wicket-keeper doesn't think so as well. The Pakistan team don't think so. Najibullah Zadran gets greeted by that short ball, as Ehsanullah says, welcome.
Well, this doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Not the most ideal time to walk out into the middle after seeing your counterpart receive a delivery like that first up.
Oh yes, and again short off the glove and taken by the keeper. The pace of Ehsanullah troubling the Afghanistan batsman.
Wow, this man is fired up.
Be ready. Didn't expect to come out of bat so quickly.
In the air, catch, it's the call. There's a man back, and it's the 100th wicket for Shadab Khan in T20 internationals. He becomes the first in Pakistan colours to do so.
He's on more for his... And that could be 101. It will be wicket number 101 for Shadab Khan. Mujib out leg before. Are they going to go?
When ball passes to the bat, it's a flight line. I certify no bat hitting. I recommend you to stay with your original decision, out.
4. Streaky, but 4 nonetheless for Farid. Shaheen Chafiri, no Haris Rauf. Ehsanullah says, no worries. Another wicket goes down. Wasim Jr. takes the catch, and Farid's brief stay at the crease. Rashid Khan says, take that. Another ball.
That's in the air. Taken. Abdullah Shafiq was the fielder. And it's Rashid Khan, the captain of Afghan team. That's in the air. And safe. And sails over the boundary line. Rolls over the boundary line for 4 runs. That's in the air. Should be taken and taken.